Hey guys, how are you doing? And in this episode, we are going to see about iPhone 5G update in India. Next week, we are going to see the iOS 16.2 beta version 2 released for developers and public beta testers. And Apple officially confirms that 5G update, the carrier firmware update and 5G compatibility support will be coming to iPhone in India by next week, only for public beta testers and developers. It is not going to be an official rollout for the next month at least. And the purpose of this video is to let you know that do not install iOS 16.2 beta 2 in your primary iPhone. If you have a secondary iPhone, the 5G feature actually is compatible from iPhone 12 and above models. So if you want to experience the 5G, if it is available in your city, then you can install it in your secondary device. It is definitely not recommended to install it in your primary device. Being the beta version, it could contain some bugs, app-related crashes, or any network-related issues or coverage signal-related issues. Then you have to roll back to the stable version in order to use the phone normally. And after 4 or 5 beta testing, possibly by the mid or end of December, around 22nd or 23rd, I'm expecting that Apple will officially release iOS 16.2 with 5G features supporting Indian iPhone users. By the next weekend, when we get the iOS 16.2 beta 2 version, Airtel and Jio or any one of the network will immediately start to work with iPhones if it is available in your city. The 5G feature is available in your city. And in a recent news, Airtel also confirmed that it is going to extend its 5G support to more Android mobile manufacturers. By the this month end, they are going to take on board more 5G users. So Jio is also working on the side. Apple confirmation tells us that they are working with both Airtel and Jio in India to complete the testing phase of 5G features supporting fully with the iPhones in India. So my suggestion is for iPhone users, the official 5G compatibility is going to be the end of December. Don't try to install the beta version and end up with any troubles related to battery drain or any network related problems or apps crash related problems. I hope this information helped you. For more useful iPhone tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a wonderful day.